Today, we are going to show you how to change the battery on your T5 or TT15 collar. For this process, you will need the collar, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and the battery replacement kit. This kit will contain the new battery and battery cover. To start, verify the collar is off by making sure the LED is not flashing, then carefully remove the collar strap. Next, we will remove the 6 screws located around the outside of the collar. There are 4 screws in the corners and 2 in the middle. There are 2 additional screws that do not need to be removed for this process. One's next to the power switch, and the other one holds the flexible connection to the GPS antenna in place. Next, we will separate the backplate. Be careful not to damage the 2 groups of wires and connectors between the backplate and the internals. Then, we will grip each of the wire connectors one at a time and pull the connector away from the circuit board. After detaching the 2 connectors, you can set the backplate aside and look inside the enclosure. Here, you will see the screws that hold the battery cover in place. We'll need to remove these in order to access the battery. When removing the battery cover, note the orientation of the battery. You'll want to install the new battery facing the same way. Now, we can remove the old battery and install the new battery, being careful about where the bump is. Place the new battery cover and reinsert the screws we removed previously. Visually inspect the gasket to ensure that it is not damaged and is completely seated in the groove around the opening of the enclosure. Then, reinstall the backplate and carefully reconnect the connector plugs into the ports on the circuit board. Place the backplate back on the collar and reinsert the 6 screws we removed initially. Now, reinstall the collar strap and power on your collar to verify that it's working properly. The LED should blink green. You'll want to charge your collar to ensure it has a full charge. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos and FAQs, go to support.garmin.com.